Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we will be discussing the need for a third aircraft carrier for Indian Navy. We will also see why it was suspended in between or not shown much progress. All we need to see if a third aircraft carrier is really required or not. So first let's begin with some background about India's aircraft carrier details and then we will discuss each topic one by one. As we all know, currently Indian Navy has one aircraft carrier, which is INS Vikramaditya in service, and the other one, which is INS Vikrant or the indigenous aircraft carrier 1, which is under construction by the Cochin shipyard in Kochi, Kerala. India also has a third one in pipeline, INS Vishal, which is also known as the indigenous aircraft carrier 2, but this is still in planned or in design stage. Both INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant have a displacement of about 40,000 to 45,000 tons. The third aircraft carrier, INS Vishal, which is planned, is expected to have 65,000 tons of displacement. Before getting into details of INS Vishal, let me give more background and current status of INS Vikrant. The keel for INS Vikrant was laid during February 2009, and post all the work and progress made, the basin trials was supposed to be completed soon. However, construction delays caused that to be moved back to April 2020. And now, due to the current situation, the Indian Navy mentioned that the sea trials are unlikely to begin before September or October 2020. As per the sources, the sea trials might start during February 2021, and INS Vikrant is expected to be completed by 2021, and it would be commissioned post that, which would be 2023 tentatively. I would not be doing any comparison between INS Vikrant and INS Vishal in this video. I will try to upload a separate video on the same soon. This video is just to understand why there is not much of an interest shown in developing the INS Vishal. Initially, the carrier was expected to enter service by 2020, but the expected date of completion was later postponed to 2030 now. There are many reasons which are believed to be a setback in INS Vishal's development and progress. The first reason is said to be the cost and budget. Aircraft carriers are big, bulky, and extremely expensive to build, operate, and maintain. As per the Indian Navy's planning, if the aircraft carrier cost plus the carrier borne fighter planes component are considered, the actual costs will go higher than what is planned as of now when the program moves ahead. This is just the cost of acquiring them. We need to think of future maintenance, repair, and overall as well. However, the Defense Ministry, even after Indian Navy's justification, is not very keen on this particular project due to higher costs involved in it. The second reason is said to be the urgency in inducting the submarines. According to Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat, the acquisition of new submarines is a priority over aircraft carriers. So for now, the INS Vishal progress would be kept on hold until a new set of submarines are inducted into service. Chief of Defense Staff also added that when we know that there would be two aircraft carriers, but if the submarine force is gradually diminishing, then our priority should be for submarines for now and not for aircraft carriers. Indian Navy is doing all possible things to make sure the third aircraft carrier gets the approval. And for that, Indian Navy has also cut down its requirement for 57 carrier-borne multi-role fighters to about 36 now. As per the sources, Indian Navy's demand for a third aircraft carrier would be considered only after assessing the performance of the INS Vikrant once it's inducted into service. According to me, India surely needs 3 aircraft carriers so that 2 are functional at all times, even if one is facing an issue with normal operation. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean where many of the major carrier operating navies have been present in recent years. This list includes France, India, Italy, the United States, and the United Kingdom. It is expected that China has deployed ships and submarines since 2008 and established a full fledged naval base. So it looks like everyone has their own strong reasons for the need of a third aircraft carrier and for not having a third aircraft carrier. Please leave your comments about what you feel. Does India really need a third aircraft carrier or not? So that was all about the third aircraft carrier INS Vishal to be kept on hold, and Indian Navy's plan to expedite the procurement or development of submarines for their fleet. As mentioned, INS Vishal's further development depends on the performance of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, which is INS Vikrant's performance post induction. So, looks like the focus right now is on procuring new submarines instead of adding a third aircraft carrier to the fleet. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.